Hello everyone. Lockdown had made us all chefs. We could bake our own cakes, isn't it? But the actual challenge was decorating them. Here are some easy cake toppers that we can make ourselves. The easiest one first. Cut 4-inch strips of the masking tape off the roll and then place them on the desk, sticky side facing up. Lay out a long piece of string on the tapes and fold them. Once done, give them a V-cut. And write happy birthday on them this way. There you go. Our happy birthday banner is all ready. So all we need to do is take 2 skewers and tie these strings to them. It looks wow, isn't it? This one is for the kids. Peppa Pig Cake Topper. Just draw the face of the Peppa Pig on a pink sheet and cut it out. Give the outline and define the eyes. That's it. Now look how this black chart paper could be turned into an adorable princess cake topper. Draw or print a sitting lady on this paper and then cut it out. Now let's make a dress for our princess. Trace the shoulder to thigh on a glitter foam sheet and cut it out this way. And then stick it on our lady. Next up, take a rectangular net cloth, fold it in half. Start pleating the top, bring the cloth together and then tie it with a ribbon. Once done, simply stick it on our princess. We may even add a crown and shoes to enhance her look. Finally, just glue a barbecue stick on it and that's it. An adorable princess cake topper is ready. Here's an amazing wedding cake topper. made out of a black chart paper. Simple stars and letters could also be turned into beautiful cake toppers. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you try it too. Please comment, subscribe if you're new to my channel. This is your Sue signing off.